It is so damn humid and hot today that my pumpkin plant is sagging again. We can't be having this because I am not letting this pumpkin drop. Alright, when it comes to the tomatillos, that's the ball. I'm squeezing it tight, that's the whole ball in there. One fell off a plant when it was super windy yesterday, so I opened up the husk, and it was about the size of a grape. And when I broke it open, it looked like the inside of a cherry tomato. It had little seeds, sort of like a tomatoey, grapey flesh. It was pretty good. I tasted it. It did taste like salsa. So yesterday, someone came through and trimmed up the tree there, and something they did, I think, knocked off this little plank of wood here, which did have my little supporting nails on it, which means that my pumpkin vine dropped to the ground with the pumpkin landing right on its head. So after I saw that the other night, I went ahead and scooched in the vine so that it's right here. Now it sits on top. I did come and amend the soil quite a bit, so I moved all the rocks aside, put some more root stabilizer, some more of the mycorrhizal fungi. I put a lot of nitrogen down, and then I fertilized it. Then it rained. This guy's doing pretty great so far. This guy did not take. Alrighty, so today on this rainy, dismal little Monday, I went ahead and picked my very first Tomatillo. He is ripe. Once they fill the entire husk and begin to tear it, that's when you know they're just about ready, but when they begin to yellow and get a little more crinkly in the outside, that's how you really know. But this guy's ready to go, so I went ahead and picked him this morning. As you can see, the fruit inside looks just amazing. And I'll probably be tasting this later on with lunch. Just about got it. There we go. It's our tomatillo. Alright, let's do this. Trying our first tomatillo ever. Right off the bat, right when you get close, you get like a Granny Smith, like a green apple, a little bit of a sour zest. Mmm. Mmm. So it's got a texture that's like a cross between a tomato and a grape, and it tastes more like a sour green apple than anything. You can at least tell that this is roughly a third of the flavor profile in the salsa verde, so I'm really excited. This is really good. I don't know if this one was fully ripe because I don't think it's supposed to be bright green, but the next one I'll make sure it's a little more ripe. And this was actually pretty good. So this has been the goal this summer, is to recreate this. This is my favorite salsa of all time. The salsa verde is really good, and the main ingredients are tomatillos, chili peppers, onions, and iodized salt. That is literally it, outside of like some kind of gum and less than 1% of cilantro. So I might want to grow one leaf and throw it in this mix. But yeah, I'd say we're getting close.